What's up guys, this is Eddie with WTI. Now if you're looking for hand wraps to protect your hands whenever you're boxing, whenever you're kickboxing or doing any martial art training, these by Hawk Sports are incredible. A couple of features that I love about them is that they're extremely comfortable, but at the same time, look at that padding that's on the knuckle and hand area. You can tell that it has a gel infused padding and it does a great job of protecting your knuckles. Also, it has a Velcro wrist wrap, which I find it incredible to make sure that that wrist is really protected. So you can use these as they are, or sometimes I actually put on a boxing glove if I want to hit the punching bag, and they go in without a problem as well. But normally I use them as they are. These are in blue, so they look cool. I love the way they look. And whenever I get my friends to be able to use it with the pads, I can go ahead and just go for a good 30-minute workout of just punching those pads and just getting that sweat that you really get on a great workout. These things are fantastic. They have protected my hands, my knuckles, my wrists, and I can't say anything other than I love them. And I think you will too. And that's my point of view.